Hey y'all, it's me, Amber from Amber Teaches, and today we're talking about neem oil. Yes, neem oil is one of those products that you see everywhere. It's in sprays, garden mixes, and even shampoos and skincare. But what exactly is neem oil? Neem oil comes from the seeds of the neem tree, which grows in India and other parts of South Asia. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and agriculture. In the garden, neem oil is used as a natural pesticide and fungicide. Sounds great, right? But it's not magic. And it's not always the right solution. Let's break it all the way down. Neem oil works in a few different ways. First, it can smother soft bodied insects like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. That means they can't breathe or move properly. Second, it disrupts the life cycle of insects by messing with their hormones. So they stop eating, they stop reproducing, and eventually they die off. Thirdly, it has antifungal properties, which can help with powdery mildew and black spot. But here's the catch, it needs to make direct contact with the pest or the fungi. It's not like it's a systemic chemical that moves through the plant. If the bug's not there, the neem won't work much. Timing matters. You want to spray neem early in the morning or late in the evening. You definitely don't want to spray it in the heat of the day because it can burn your plants, especially in the hot sun. So, again, the best time to use neem oil is early in the morning or late in the evening when temps are cooler and the bees and pollinators aren't active. And speaking of pollinators, neem oil is generally considered safe for bees when used correctly. But that doesn't mean that you can spray it all wild and wide. You want to always avoid spraying open bloom. Now it's time to talk about what nobody tells you when it comes to neem oil. That smell. Neem oil has a very strong and very funky smell. It's earthy, kind of garlicky, and honestly, it can linger on your skin and clothes. Every time I use it, my husband walks out and says, "What is that smell?" And I already know it's the neem. I'm prepared for it. Anytime I use it, I know I'm going to get some flack about that smell. So if you're spraying it, wear gloves, spray downwind, and maybe don't plan on running any errands afterwards. Another heads up is neem oil needs to be mixed properly. It doesn't mix with water on its own, so you'll need to use an emulsifier like dish soap. That helps the oil spread evenly on your plants. Without it, it'll just float on top and clog your sprayer. A quick warning, neem oil does not work instantly. It is a slow acting product, so you may need to reapply it every 7 to 10 days for full effect. Also, don't use it on seedlings or delicate plants without testing first. Some plants are sensitive and neem can cause leaf burn or spotting, despite what time of day you use it. So, let's review. Neem oil is a natural pesticide and fungicide. It works by smothering bugs and disrupting their life cycles. It's best used early in the morning or in the evening. Don't spray on open blooms or use in extreme heat. It needs soap to mix and it works slowly over time. And lastly, it has a funky smell. But overall, it's a great tool to have in your garden toolkit. It's not a cure all, but when used with intention, neem oil can help you manage pests without reaching for harsh chemicals. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used neem oil or if your family complains about the smell like mine does. And don't forget to subscribe for more garden tips, plant science, and real life tips from my backyard to yours. Thanks for watching. I'll let you guys later. Bye.